Did you know that vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to serious nerve damage and is one of the most common concerns for people following a vegan diet? Today, we'll explore vegan sources of vitamin B12, a vital nutrient for the brain, blood, and overall energy. Whether you're vegan or simply curious about nutrition, this information is essential. Vitamin B12 plays a key role in red blood cell formation, DNA synthesis, and nerve function. It's a nutrient that our bodies can't produce on their own, and it's found naturally primarily in animal products. This is why those following a vegan diet need to be particularly mindful of their B12 intake. There are plenty of ways to ensure you getting enough of this crucial vitamin without compromising your ethical choices. Let's dive into the world of vegan B12 sources. Fortified plant-based milks have become increasingly popular in recent years, and many brands now add vitamin B12 to their products. These can include soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, and others. When you're shopping, make sure to check the label for B12 content. Similarly, many breakfast cereals are fortified with B12 and other essential nutrients. This makes them an easy and tasty way to boost your B12 intake first thing in the morning. One of the most beloved B12 sources in the vegan community is nutritional yeast. This yellow, flaky powder has a cheesy, nutty flavor that many vegans swear by. Not just delicious, it's also packed with nutrients, including B12. You can sprinkle it on popcorn, use it in sauces, or add it to various dishes for a savory boost and a hit of B12. Of course, we can't forget about vitamin B12 supplements. These come in various forms, including tablets, sublingual drops, and even nasal sprays. While getting nutrients from whole foods is generally preferable, supplements can be a reliable way to ensure you're meeting your B12 needs, especially if you're new to veganism or have trouble consistently incorporating other B12 sources into your diet. Many vegans find that combining different sources of B12 works best for them. This might mean having fortified plant milk on your cereal in the morning, sprinkling nutritional yeast on your lunch, and taking a supplement a few times a week. The key is to find a routine that works for you and stick to it. It's worth noting that awareness of vitamin B12 is growing rapidly in many countries. This increased understanding has led to more fortified products on supermarket shelves and more public health campaigns addressing the importance of B12 for everyone. It's not just vegans. However, challenges remain when it comes to B12 intake on a vegan diet. Many people underestimate the risk of deficiency, especially if they're new to veganism or haven't educated themselves about nutrition. The symptoms of B12 deficiency can be subtle at first, things like fatigue, brain fog, and numbness, or tingling in the extremities. Unfortunately, these symptoms are often ignored or attributed to other causes until the deficiency becomes more severe. This is why it's crucial to be proactive about your B12 intake. The good news is that deficiency is entirely preventable with the right approach. Regular blood tests can help you keep track of your B12 levels and catch any potential issues early. If you're relying on fortified foods, make sure to check labels regularly, as formulations can change. And if you're taking supplements, set reminders to ensure you're taking them consistently. It's not just individual vegans who are taking action. Campaigns around the world are helping more people understand this vital nutrient. Vegan organizations, nutritionists, and even some governments are working to spread awareness about the importance of B12 and how to get enough of it on a plant-based diet. The impact of proper B12 intake goes beyond just preventing deficiency. When your B12 levels are optimal, you're likely to feel more energetic, clear-headed, and generally healthier. It's like giving your body the fuel it needs to function at its best. And for those who may have experienced deficiency in the past, proper supplementation can lead to a remarkable turnaround, with symptoms improving and overall health rebounding. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that awareness of vitamin B12 empowers you to take control of your health. With the right knowledge and approach, a vegan diet can be not only compassionate but also fulfilling and nourishing. You can enjoy all the benefits of plant-based eating while ensuring that your body gets everything it needs to thrive. So, what's next? If you're intrigued by what you've learned about B12 and want to delve deeper into vegan nutrition, there's plenty more to explore. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this information. Would you love to hear about your experiences with B12 on a vegan diet? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to check out our playlist with more plant-based health tips. We cover everything from protein sources to omega-3 South and beyond. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest content on vegan nutrition and health. Remember, taking care of your B12 levels is an act of self-love and a crucial part of maintaining a healthy vegan lifestyle. Whether you're a longtime vegan or just starting to explore plant-based eating, staying informed about nutrition is key to thriving on this compassionate diet. So go forth and enjoy your fortified plant milks. Sprinkle that nutritional yeast with abandon and pop that B12 supplement with pride. Your body will thank you, and you'll be setting a great example for others interested in veganism. Here's to your health, to the animals, and to a more sustainable future for our planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.